Did you know you can use crypto arbitrage trading to take advantage of price difference between two exchanges? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how crypto arbitrage trading can identify opportunities, buy crypto at a lower price and sell at a higher price. So follow for more and make sure you learn on how crypto arbitrage trading works. So we've been having a challenge of 100 to 2000 USDTs and we are completing it right now. So we'll be trading crypto arbitrage trading, buying low at a centralized platform and selling high on a decentralized platform. So in case you missed, make sure you click the link in my bio, join free arbitrage trading classes, and also if you comment arbitrage trading, you can get a chance of winning free funding. So what do we do? We'll be trading crypto arbitrage trading and receiving in our Ranquilly account. Our Ranquilly account is where we sell our assets at a higher price. And someone can ask, where do I get this Ranquilly account? Just go to your browser, search ranquilly.com. After searching ranquilly.com, make sure you click sign in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, make sure you create one. And the funds that will buy at a lower price in your Binance, you transfer them to Ranquilly. So for instance, today we'll be trading with let's say 500 USDTs, and let's see how this arbitrage trading will go. So also we'll make a withdrawal. This week I've been making withdrawals back to back so that nobody can come in my comment section and say that you can't withdraw, not unless you have some problems of yourselves, but you can withdraw anytime. So let's get to our arbitrage trade. You just come on P2P arbitrage, you click on sell, then you find the best trade, as I always tell you, and Crypto Vault Pro has been my best. So I'll just come enter amount. You can see his minimum amount is 144, and he is also verified and with a rate of 97.01. So I'll just come enter amount, let's say 500 USDTs. Then I paste my Ranquilly deposit address. So I'll show you that the more the capital, the more the profits. This is where we get our profit. So with 500 USDTs capital, I'll get 1005 USDTs, but there is P2P fee, so we'll get to that. But if you have 100, you'll make 201. So you can see the price and profit difference in arbitrage trading. If you have 200, you'll make 402 USD in profits. So the more the profits, the more the capital, and the more the capital in arbitrage trading, the more the profits. So I'll review and explain to you. This one you already know. So my profit will be 984 USDTs with a capital of 500 USDTs. So my gross or my take profit will be 484 USDTs, which is not bad. And remember, arbitrage trading only takes 30 minutes maximum in a Ranquilly. So if you have any other exchange that you are making profits with arbitrage trading, you can also include that in the comment section. So if you have any problem with the merchant, you can chat and remind him. And if the trade took too long, you can dispute it and stop the trade. So let's make a withdrawal from Ranquilly to our Binance after trading our arbitrage and making profits. Obviously you will need to withdraw. So come to your Binance, click on assets here, down here, then you click on add funds. So we are copying our address, deposit address, then you choose your crypto, then you choose your network, you copy. After copying the address, go to your Ranquilly. Our arbitrage trade is still ongoing. Click on withdrawal, then you click on USDT. You paste the address here, you enter amount. Let's say today we don't want much, let's withdraw 70, so it will be 76 USDTs. So we review and we confirm. So the total amount that we'll get in our Binance account after this withdrawal in Ranquilly will be 70 USDTs. You can see it here. So let's wait as our arbitrage trading is still ongoing. Then I will make one, maybe we receive in our external wallet. We want to make profits with arbitrage trading back to back. So you shouldn't miss a chance. Let's wait. So I just want to confirm to haters that don't make profits. You can see deposit of 70 in my Binance. We go check our withdrawal, small amounts, just grow slowly by slowly. You can see now we are at 2000 USDTs, and we can celebrate, all made with arbitrage trading. Let's come to our withdrawal transaction history. Withdrawal made, it should be approved in some minutes, so you can check the time and date. Then we come on our P2P arbitrage. We click here, then we check our trade, not paid yet. So let's wait. Yes, it has been paid. Was waiting for this release. So just come and click on release, and your assets, trade completed, profits made, withdrawal made. Why is not arbitrage the best? Tell me in the comment section.